So everyone, I just discussed in previous videos uh, how we are better use of Power BI uh, and Cake PHP together, so we can make a difference. So uh, as the screen you are seeing right now, this is our login screen, and I'm handling plenty of projects in my organization. So Uh, I'll just give you a little bit background about what was the reason behind it. I'm working with a different user, different stakeholder, different kind of people, different organization. So I can deal with several people of in different organization. So everyone need a reports in real time. So the solution I can found, I just create a simple login form. Before login form, I just go into this. For example, I just say admin. My password is I already remember. I just say submit. Mm, submit. Sorry, my username is asdf@gmail.com. Password is same. Mm, just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it's not working. Project login. Then I need to go for the control panel. So basically, how we can assign the it's a basically login screen in the control panel. So it's all admin. So the problem I'm facing right now, for example, I have plenty of BI files and BI. Let me open my BI URL. Power BI.microsoft.com. So login. I just assign in. So this is my control panel. There's a plenty of projects. I can design a new project, project 1, project 2, project 3, etc., etc. And then we can design our container the user. So I can design a new user and I can assign a permission. For example, I just say Adam, email ID Adam @gmail.com, password 723. Just father, spouse name, etc., etc. These all the user information. I need to go for the URLs. So how I can define a new menu and how I can authorize the people to see the report. For example, I need to allow Adam under the project, with project 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also design a project, say project 2. And what kind of URL we need to pass. For example, we have a project. I just say this. Say new report of this organization. I just publish. It's loading. Publish to the web. I just copy this URL. Just close. And I just set this URL. Permission for admin, user management, etc., etc. So we can define also a user-based role, or it's admin, management, or finance team, or all. I just say user. I say publish. Okay. It's not working on this. I need errors. There's some coding issues. I need to fix it up. Sorry. I just admin. Just sign in. I just URL. Create a new user. Admin. Adam. Adam after gmail.com. Which project? Set the two. URL I can paste it here. Sorry. Copy the URL again. Publish to web. Just copied it. Permission for admin server. Just publish it. Whatever order you can require, you just say. Yes, so here we need to put the URL name. For example, say daily report for data management. Sorry, I just check it out. So this is our report name. I just say submit. You will be able to see. Admin will be able to see the reports. I just say submit button. That's it. One new report coming on this daily report for data management. There's the permission, status, order, etc. I can delete this. Now again I can go into my user login. Copy this URL, login. Login page will be appear here. I just say admin. Just give me a second. ASPF@gmail.com. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just submit button. So, just Ramlal is admin rights. Not. I just said demo at the gmail.com. Demo no cancel. I just need to add it. Roll. Just create a file. User type is admin. Cool enough. So I just said demo at the gmail.com. Set password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Submit. Yep. So there's a new menu is coming in my list. I just said daily report for data management. I just click this. Entire report is coming here. Automate. Boom. So this is the better use. For example, main report, user report. In user report, you can see the different kind of